Hi everyone. Today we will see about the basic surgical instruments in a general surgical set. So, what are the instruments to be kept in a surgical pack for general surgeries like spaying, castration, or any minor surgical procedures like tumor mass removal, etc. So, we will see the instruments one by one and their uses. So, this is Jones towel clamp. It is small and lightweight towel clamp used to hold the drapes in place by applying on skin. We need minimum 4 pieces. This is BP handle. The BP blade is attached with this handle to make incision on skin and to make fine and precise dissection separation of deeper tissues. We have number 3 and number 4 handle. In number 3, we can attach number 10, 11, 12 and 15 number blades. In number 4, we can attach number 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24 blades. In small animals, we commonly use number 3 handle. The next is dissecting forceps or tissue forceps, or commonly we call it as thumb forceps. This is held in between the thumb and forefinger. It is a non-locking instrument used to grasp tissues while cutting or suturing. There are varieties of dissecting forceps available, but commonly we use toothed or plain. We can use the toothed one for any hard structures like skin and the plain forceps for the delicate tissues. Then coming to the scissors, we know there are many varieties of scissors available. Straight, curved, blunt edge, sharp edge, etc. Irrespective of that, we have Mayo and medicine bound scissor. The Mayo, that is thick and relatively short, and it is used to dissect and cut heavy tissues like fascia. This is thin and long. It is used to dissect and cut delicate tissues. This should not be used to cut any drains or suture materials. By doing so, we will ruin the blades. Curved scissor gives a greater degree of accuracy when dissecting and allowing the surgeon to make a smoother and stable cut. And the straight scissors are better for providing stable cut in tougher tissues due to the mechanical advantage. And when you want to make a straight cut like over the linea alba, we can use this. This is Mayo needle holder. This is used to hold the suture needle. Through this we can place or push the needle through the skin or tissue with appropriate force in appropriate direction. The needle should be placed perpendicular to the needle holder and grasp the needle at its center to advance with greater force and to avoid the risk of breakage of needle. Then coming to hemostats or artery forceps. This is mosquito hemostats. They are crushing instruments used to clamp or stop bleeding by grasping a vein or artery. They are available as straight or curved tips. In a basic set, 2 mosquito forceps and medium-sized 2 straight artery forceps and 2 curved artery forceps are needed. Then coming to Alice tissue forceps. This is used to grasp or clamp tissues, but this causes varying degree of trauma to the tissues. But we can use this firmly on tissues that is going to be removed from the body. So finally, for a basic set, you need 4 towel clamps, 2 BP handle, 2 dissecting forceps or thumb forceps, 3 scissors, 1 needle holder, 6 hemostats and 4 Alice tissue forceps. And if you want, you can add mops and reusable needles and drapes. But nowadays we can get sterile disposable drapes and mops, so we can use that if we are affordable. So I hope this video gave some basic knowledge on making surgical set. If you like this video, thank you.